how to log into Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically log into your Roblox account, you can also open your browser and go to roblox.com, and if you're trying to log in from browser, you have to select this option here known as continue in browser, or you can choose to continue in the app as well. Once you select those respective options, you will see this type of interface where if you're not already logged in, you will find the gear icon from the top right hand side, and you will find the login option, which you can then use to try to log in to your Roblox account. Now in case you're already logged in, you can just try to log out first and then re-log in into your account. This way you can go ahead and then log into Roblox. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.